In this video, you will see 5 YouTube channels which provide best Figma tutorials. Hey guys! Hope you all are doing great. Today, I've got something special for you. I will introduce you all with some of the best Figma tutorials for beginners available on YouTube. I will give all the links to these tutorials in the description box. Do check them out after watching this video. And remember, this is not a sponsored video. It's all our personal suggestion and opinion. We all know well how expensive are these courses on different platforms. So I have gone through a lot of stuff and selected some of the best free YouTube tutorials on Figma after a good research. Are you excited? Because we are. Let's not delay and get started quickly. Before starting the video, if you think our content is valuable, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and please don't forget to comment down your opinions. This all will really motivate us to give our best. Now let's start quickly. Best Figma tutorials for beginners. Number 1. freecodecamp.org. Number 2. The Net Ninja. Number 3. Tapa Technical. Number 4. Graphics Guruji. Number 5. Pelfis Studio. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also visit our social handles to be updated.